Okay, Cubby's vinyl collection. Here we go. On the turntable right now is AFI. Orange vinyl. Isn't that pretty? Okay. So this is the main site, yeah, this is the main part of my collection. So I'm going to go through each one, pull out like one record, and yeah, I gotta go through this quick. So this is mainly gothic industrial stuff. The Cure, yeah. So I'll show you like one or two releases from each. This section is basically like English punk rock. Here's a Clash record. There you go. Over here, this side is like compilations. This side is splits. So it's like a Nardcore compilation, a bunch of Nardcore bands. And this is a split you'll recognize, the Rancid NoFX split. And here we have this whole section right here is all like American punk rock. But these first two sections right here are strictly California. So, start up at NorCal with like East Bay Dead Kennedy stuff. Go down towards the Oxnard area with Miss 23rd. Down to LA with NoFX. Further down to Hermosa Beach with Descendants. And then down to Orange County with the Vandals. Then we start moving towards the rest of the country. I believe Reggie and the Full Effect are from like Kansas or Nebraska, so there's them. We get closer towards the East Coast with like Ramones, and then Misfits are from Jersey. Hey, and look at the Queers. They're from New Hampshire. Alright, so let's see. This section is all metal. Metallica and Megadeth, Iron Maiden back there. Let's see, this section right here is like spoken word / comedy stuff, like here's Jello Biafra, Weird Al, and Steve Martin. Next to that is kind of like ska kind of stuff, and I don't know what else to call it, but Oingo Boingo. And let's see, there's like a Specials record in here, so that's more ska-y. But yeah, I don't know what to call that part. Anyway, this whole section right from here to here is all like indie, alternative grunge stuff. So this is the Lemonheads. I'm sure you recognize that. And then over here is like Radiohead, and one of my favorite bands that you know of, the Flaming Lips. Okay, down the bottom here, it's divided in two. This side is all different bands from like, well, it's partially like kind of like crusty punk rock stuff, like the harder stuff, and then bands that are from out of the country that aren't UK, like Propaganda from Canada. Okay, on this side is all soundtracks, so Pretty in Pink's one of my favorite, and then a few songs from The Breakfast Club. And then we move over here to like 80s new wave stuff, like Talking Heads, Cars, and Devo. Move over here to like 80s, like new wave, like 12 inches and stuff, like singles, like here's Modern English with I Melt With You. And over here, let's see, do I have this divided, or let's see, oh yeah, it's divided by this. Okay, so all of these bands right here are like Crass related bands, like Conflict. I'm sure you recognize that record, because I believe you own it. And then over here is just a regular Crass record. Okay, now, time to venture elsewhere. You know what, I'm going to cut it off right here, because I always get cut off. Do two parts.